Welcome back, everybody. This is Eric here with Iraq Veteran 8888. Our friends at Savior Equipment reached out to us and sent us some cool gear, and I thought it'd be cool to make a video and show you some of their stuff. Really awesome. If you're not familiar with Savior Equipment, they make pistol cases, rifle cases, go bags, mag pouches, staging gear, just all kind of stuff to make your trip to the range a lot more enjoyable and organized. And I just thought it'd be neat to show some of this stuff off. Rather than try to make a bunch of separate tiny videos on individual products, I thought it'd be cool to kind of give a brief synopsis of the whole product line. They're actually extending a great discount. If you use the code IV8888, you'll get 15% off and free shipping. So that's pretty cool. If you guys see something you want, you can use my code and save yourself some money and get free shipping. Let's start out with the Mag Buddies. All right, these are really neat. So these are a hard backing mag pouch, okay? And you've got, nice Velcro, and you can stage up your mags in here. And this fits a variety of different magazines. Now, this one is set up with Glock magazines at the moment. But this is great because let's just say you have a big range bag or something and you want to take some mags in there. Sometimes it's just handy to have a way to put your mags in here and organize them and not have them rattling all over the place. Or if you're taking 2 or 3 different handguns to the range, this is a great way by using their Velcro labels. You can take a dry erase marker and you can write whatever the make and model of the gun is on there, and then you got your magazines in tow and nice and organized. I left this one in the packaging because I wanted to show how nice the packaging is. Just a real sleek and modern looking packaging, very friendly for retail, which is always cool. So if you run a shop and you need a great way to display this stuff, it does display quite nicely. Packaging matters, at least a little bit, from the aesthetics there. Here's their rifle pouch. So that's their Mag Buddy. This one's set up with AR-15 magazines. Very cool. You've got a hard backer, a Velcro nameplate area, and then in the back here you got a little zipper compartment if you need to put your little notepad or any type of small gear you can stuff in there. Very useful, okay? And again, this one is set up for pistol caliber carbine magazines, so we've got this one set up with 33 round Glock mags. Very convenient, and again, your Velcro labels, you can label whatever you want. If you ended up having some extra name tags that you wanted to be able to swap out for different mags every now and then, you could always take a few of these and in the zipper compartment in the back, just stuff those in there so you've got a few extras. So those are really convenient. Put those in your range bag or whatever. Their pistol case is really neat. I want to show you this, okay? You've got an exterior admin pocket with a lot of different, goodies and extra space. Velcro name tag again right there on the outside if you want to mark this bag as having whatever's in it. Your different pins, notepad, your multi-tools. So a nice admin pouch there with plenty of storage. And these things are like 30 bucks. I was kind of shocked at how reasonable these things are priced. So you open up the bag and you've got a nice convenient spot for all different types of magazines. I've got this one set up with a variety of different magazines here. It's holding a Glock mag, 365, Beretta, M92, so CZ75 magazine. And then we've got this is a fairly large mag for the FK Bernot. And then, what is that guy? Oh, that's a little 22 mag for a little Taurus. You got these zipper pouches here that hold your pistols. Okay, I've got 2 handguns in here. A CZ75 and a Browning High Power. Plenty of room. Nice rugged zippers. Really sturdy handle. That's a great case for the money. Okay, they've also got some rifle bags. Now, the one single rifle bag that they make that I really, really like, it's called, and I'm cheating here, but it's called the Specialist. And what's cool about the Specialist is it comes pretty much 3-gun competition ready. And it also comes ready to go for all of you long-range precision or long-range shooters that are going out and shooting your PRS matches and things like that. The really cool thing about the Specialist case is that when you open it up, it's set up really, really well for a ton of different accessories, and you've actually got a really great setup like this hardened sleeve that your suppressor can slide down into to protect your suppressors. Lots of folks that are shooting PRS and shooting 3-gun are running suppressors now. So you can take a full-length bolt-action rifle, and in the long version of the Specialist, you've got plenty of room for a scoped and suppressed long gun to go into this case. I mean, it's got drag straps on it. It's got these really gnarly handles if you need to pick it up and carry it with a few extra people. You can wear it like a backpack. There's plenty of MOLLE and everything like that. The outside pouch on the Specialist can actually house a full-length 16-inch AR, and there's plenty of MOLLE in there. So if you want to add you a MOLLE holster or something to hold an extra handgun, now you could take the Specialist and literally turn it into a 3-gun setup that you can put on your back and off you go. And you've got a suppressed rifle, you've got a carbine. You could obviously put your shotgun in there if you needed to. A lot of people use long shotguns for 3-gun with like long extended magazine tubes and everything like that. So the Specialist being extra long like that, you could certainly use that for your extra long shotguns. And stick the barrel down into the same sleeve that you would normally put your suppressor in. And there's plenty of straps to hold everything in there nice and sturdy. The cool thing about the Specialist as well is it comes with a really nice scope cover. So you can actually put this big old scope cover around your rifle, and I guess it's actually an action cover because it protects the action, it protects the bolt and the safety, it protects the scope, and you've got a really convenient handle to pick it up and carry it if you wish. So it's really well thought out, and they do come in a few different lengths. So they do some double rifle cases as well. The multicam one that I've got here is called their Urban Warfare. It's a double rifle case. I've got this one set up with an AK and an AR, both in a full length configuration. So you can see the AR that we actually put in this case has a suppressor and an A2 stock. So to give you an idea, it will accommodate some fairly long rifles. And of course, these come in a few basic configurations. You can get some that have just this giant admin pouch on the outside with lots of extra storage. You can certainly use that. They make another model that's very similar in a double rifle case that has just more general MOLLE on the outside. So if you want to tailor it more specifically to your needs, the individual admin pouches are a little bit smaller. I do like the way that the multicam Urban Warfare is set up because you do have a bit of additional space for night vision and other peripherals. So if you had like a nighttime hog hunting setup and you have like clip-on night vision or you have clip-on thermals and you need big spacey pockets to be able to put all that gear in, you can certainly do so with their double rifle case. And the Specialist, getting back to the single rifle case, there's room for your spotting scope, there's room for all your gear, your dope cards, you name it. So with both the rifle cases, they are constructed really, really well. They use YKK zippers, so that's industry standard in zipper technology. Also, Khadora, 1000D Khadora exterior construction, so really, really tough, great with abrasion resistance, resists fraying, and obviously keeps dirt and particulates out of your actions and everything, so really, really nice there. Plenty of MOLLE through and throughout on the rifle cases, so very useful pieces of equipment. All right, so moving on to another case that's really, really handy. They actually have their ultimate guitar case. This is what prompted me to get with these guys and explore some of their gear. Because I'm a big guitar guy. Now, I'm not going to spoil the surprise. We do have another video coming up. We're going to do kind of a little funny thing using this guitar case. But as you can pretty much clearly see here, their ultimate guitar case, you can outfit in a variety of different ways and have sort of a sneaky Pete way to haul your guns around. You just look like you're the going to the gig, but you're really not. So this is a great way to carry your guns around in a very, sneaky Pete, nondescript sort of way. All right. You can get additional inserts for the guitar case. So if you want to set it up a few different ways, they do sell the additional inserts. And look, I do want to say this. As a musician, I do want to say that there are some design elements of the guitar case that I find to be actually superior to real guitar cases. I don't know if this is something they've thought about because the latches on this, it uses 5 latches. So really, really, really sturdy latches on this case, which I think is really cool. So the nice thing about this guitar case as well is, like, let's say you're traveling through an airport or something. Now, this isn't really intended to be used as an actual guitar case. So don't think that it's necessarily like made to carry around a real guitar. But I'm saying if a real guitar case had this type of technology, it'd be useful for taking through like an airport or anywhere where you're having to travel and take your instrument along. You do have some durable wheels and a handle built in so you can drag it around. Very, very useful out on the range or whatever. So really cool piece of gear with the guitar case. And they've also got their mobile firearms racks, okay? This is really cool, and I was actually surprised at how reasonably these things are priced. You've basically got a foldable mobile rack that's very, very lightweight, so you can take this thing out to the range with you, and it'll hold all of your rifles that you're taking with you, your handguns and accessories, keep stuff from sliding around, falling over, that sort of thing. Very, very useful. Okay, the one that we have here is a 6 rifle rack, and then you got plenty of room for pistols and things. So when you're out at the range, keeps all of your stuff organized. This isn't all of the stuff they make. These are just some of the samples that I wanted to get out and have a look at. I really dig the Mag Buddies. I think that is a very, very clever thing. Even if you've already got your favorite range bag, which they do make range bags as well. I don't have a range bag here to show you. But even if you have your own range bag and you already just want to be able to, you know, take your mags and organize them a little better, this is super great for that. Keep dust and bull crap out of your mags, keep them from getting messed up, keeps them organized. So that's very, very smart. And the construction of these is super gnarly. And I love the pistol case. Like for me, I think that one's really a winner. For 30 bucks, that's a great deal to keep your handguns organized. And I always love it when pistol cases have, you know, the built-in mag pouches and all. That's super, super handy. And I love the 55-inch rifle case that you can use for 3-gun use or take out to your favorite, you know, PRS match or something. Just really, really awesome, well thought out stuff. And you can tell that all of their gear is designed and made by people that shoot and understand the needs of shooters and what you need when you're out at the range or on the competition circuit. So I thought I'd share these with you. We are going to be using these in some various pieces of content we'll be putting out in the future. And I've got a really funny thing planned for the guitar case. I won't spoil it, but that will be in a future video, and you guys are going to love it. So remember, you can use the code IV8888, get yourself 15% off and free shipping if you want anything from Savior. Really good company, really good folks, and I think they're doing a great job with their stuff. I just want to share this with you. Have a great day. I hope you guys enjoy the content. We have many more videos on the way, tons of things that we're doing. We are filming like madmen, so more Manly Meals episodes, more gun gripes, plenty of stuff. So we hope you'll tune in, and I definitely want to take a moment to thank all of our Patreon supporters. Thank you so much for supporting our channel. Those of you who go over to Ballistic Ink, pick up t-shirts, or if you purchase man cans over on the website, thank you so much for supporting our channel, and we hope that you have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Many more videos on the way.